This is Karen Ranzi, and I am a plant-based and raw food health coach and a certified raw food chef, and I am a retreat leader, and I love hosting my women's health retreat. I have other retreats as well. You might have seen my Costa Rica retreat. But November of 2019, I'll be hosting my 4th Women's Plant-Based Health Retreat. If you're a woman and you are trying to eat as healthfully as possible, and your diet is plant-based, or you want to learn about going more plant-based and adding more delicious raw food to your diet, and you are really motivated and you want support and guidance, this retreat is definitely for you. We get together with 10 women up in beautiful Rhinebeck, New York, at a 5-star inn called Hideaway Suites, and we hike in nature, we eat delicious plant-based and raw food together. We create some of the recipes. We have women's support groups, yoga and meditation, and relaxing art activities. And this is a great way to bond with the other women and to enjoy a 3-day beautiful retreat in the stunning wooded environment of Rhinebeck, New York. People have come from all over the United States, as far as California and Florida, and even other countries like the UK. So if you think that this is something for you, the rates are reasonable, and it can be a very life-changing experience to come along with us and to have that kind of support and guidance for a plant-based and raw food diet amongst health-conscious women who all want to be there to get support and make new friends. Come and join us for November 1st, 2nd, and 3rd in Rhinebeck, New York, with me, Karen Ranzi, as your retreat leader. And check out all of the delicious recipes that we make for meals, morning, midday, and early evening. And we have wonderful snack foods too that you will love and enjoy, and you get all these creative recipes.